घर आ गए। आर यू होम? आर यू होम? स्कूल कैसा था? हाउ वॉज स्कूल? हाउ वॉज स्कूल? दिन कैसा रहा? हाउ वॉज योर डे? हाउ वॉज योर डे? आज क्या किया? What did you do today? What did you do today? कुछ नया सीखा? Did you learn anything new? Did you learn anything new? भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? आओ खाना खाओ। Come have dinner. Come have dinner. पहले हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands first. Wash your hands first. ये टिफिन दो। Give me the tiffin. Give me the tiffin. बैग यहाँ रख दो। Keep the bag here. Keep the bag here. कपड़े बदल लो। Change your clothes. Change your clothes. जूते उतार दो। Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. ये जूते सही जगह रखो। Keep these shoes in place. Keep these shoes in place. आओ बैठो। Come sit. Come sit. ये लो पानी। Here take water. Here take water. खाना तैयार है। The food is ready. The food is ready. सबको बुलाओ। Call everyone. Call everyone. सब मिलकर खाना खाए। Let's eat together. Let's eat together. चम्मच ले आओ। Bring the spoon. Bring the spoon. प्लेट ले आओ। Bring the plate. Bring the plate. सब्जी पास करो। Pass the vegetables. Pass the vegetables. रोटी दे दो। Give me the chapati. Give me the chapati. ये लो दाल। Here is the dal. Here is the dal. अचार लाओ। Bring the pickle. Bring the pickle. खाना अच्छा लगा? Did you like the food? Did you like the food? धीरे खाओ। Eat slowly. Eat slowly. जल्दी खाओ। Eat quickly. Eat quickly. ज़्यादा मत खाओ। Don't overeat. Don't overeat. पानी पी लो। Drink water. Drink water. टेबल साफ कर दो। Clean the table. Clean the table. प्लेट धो दो। Wash the plates. Wash the plates. काम पूरा करो। Finish your work. Finish your work. होमवर्क कर लिया? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? चलो होमवर्क करो। Do your homework. Do your homework. किताब पढ़ लो। Read your book. Read your book. लिखावट साफ रखो। Keep your handwriting clean. Keep your handwriting clean. मैं मदद करूं? Shall I help you? Shall I help you? ये सही करो। Correct this. Correct this. ध्यान लगाओ। Focus on it. Focus on it. अच्छा काम किया। Good job. Good job. अब थोड़ा खेल लो। Now play for a while. Now play for a while. बाहर मत जाओ। Don't go outside. Don't go outside. अंदर खेलो। Play inside. Play inside. टीवी देखना है? Want to watch TV? Want to watch TV? मोबाइल मत देखो. Don't use the phone. Don't use the phone. कार्टून लगाओ. Put on cartoons. Put on cartoons. गाना सुन लो. Listen to a song. Listen to a song. नाच लो. Dance a little. Dance a little. ये गेम खेलो. Play this game. Play this game. घर के काम में मदद करो. Help in household chores. Help in household chores. ये सामान रख दो. Keep this stuff. Keep this stuff. पानी भर दो. Fill the water. Fill the water. पौधों में पानी डालो. Water the plants. Water the plants. ये किताब रख दो. Keep this book. Keep this book. ज़्यादा शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. शांत बैठो. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. लाइट ऑन कर दो. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. पंखा चला दो. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. टीवी बंद करो. Switch off the TV. Switch off the TV. खिलौने समेट लो. Put away the toys. Put away the toys. हाथ मुंह धो लो. Wash your hands and face. Wash your hands and face. नहाना है. Do you want to bath? Do you want to bath? नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. कपड़े सुखा दो. Dry the clothes. Dry the clothes. बाल सुखा लो. Dry your hair. Dry your hair. कपड़े तह कर दो. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. सोने की तैयारी करो. Get ready to sleep. Get ready to sleep. दूध पी लो. Drink milk. Drink milk. ब्रश कर लो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. अब सो जाओ. Now go to sleep. Now go to sleep.